Come and watch the GRASPhopper teach us something new today. Looking for a complete opinion writing unit? Be sure to check the description below to grab our paired differentiated lessons for stress-free planning. In previous videos, you've learned about the parts of an opinion essay, brainstorming an opinion, writing reasons, adding examples, writing the parts of the introduction, writing the parts of a conclusion, and adding transition words. Throughout this video, you will learn about drafting an opinion essay. Let's begin. What is drafting? Drafting is when you write the first full copy or version of your opinion essay. Drafting is taking all of your ideas and writing them in paragraphs so that they flow in a cohesive way to create an essay. What are the parts of an opinion essay draft? The draft is made up of separate paragraphs. First is the introduction. While you're drafting your introduction, you will add a catchy title. The next part you will draft are the body paragraphs. This is where you will write your reasons and examples. You will also add in any necessary transition words. Last, you will draft your conclusion with any transition words that you need. How do you draft your opinion essay? When you draft the essay, you want to make sure you stick to your plan. This means using the graphic organizers that you have for each paragraph as a guide to help you write your draft. You don't need to come up with all new information when you draft. Take the ideas you already brainstormed on the organizers and put them all together into complete sentences. You want to make sure you write separate paragraphs for each part of your opinion essay: the introduction, the different body paragraphs, and the conclusion. Make sure to indent at the start of each new paragraph. This means there should be a small space before you start writing the first sentence of each paragraph. When you're drafting, you can start to think about editing and revising. As you draft, add capitalization, punctuation, correct spelling, and any transition words that are necessary. After you've drafted your paragraphs, it's important to remember to read your draft aloud to yourself. You can ask yourself a question like, does my writing flow and make sense? Let's see drafting in action. Here is an example of writing a draft of one of my body paragraphs about rock climbing. I will start by writing on a blank line and indenting to show it's a new paragraph. Then I will write a transition word with my reason. Next, I will write my example sentences starting with a transition. As I'm writing, I'm thinking about where I need capitals, punctuation, and trying my best to spell all the words correctly. You're ready to get started drafting your opinion essay. Be sure to watch all the opinion writing videos to help you learn how to write a strong opinion essay. Thanks for watching our teaching video on drafting an opinion essay. Don't forget to follow GRASPhopper and shop our opinion writing units and products. Check the description for more.